Hello, with this video I'm going to show you how you can use artificial intelligence to create and also to interpret charts or diagrams. We are going to begin with creating a chart from a written test. And to do that, we are going to use an app which is called napkin.ai. So the first thing we have to do is go to our browser, okay, and write napkin AI. Okay, so once we are here, we can read the information that we are given, which is get visuals from your test. And if we scroll down, we can see different types of charts or diagrams that you can create from a test, and then it explains how it works. So what we have to do is first to have a test. It can be from a document or you can write it down. Then once you have your test ready, then what you have to do is to click on an icon similar to this one that you can see here, and the visual is generated. There are different options you can choose from, and then once you have decided which option or which diagram you like the best, then you can customize it. You can change the icons or decorations, the connectors, colors, fonts, etc. And when it is finished, then you can download it. You can take it to another test or to another app, or download it to your computer, and you have different types of files you can use. So let's see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to get an account. In my case, I'm going to log in with my Gmail account, but if we click on here, then we have the possibility of joining with a Gmail account or with an email. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to do. In my case, as I mentioned, I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So here I am. As you can see, there's a blank document. It's not a document, but it will be a document. And what I have to do is to write the test. Okay, so I'm going to show you a test that I have already written. It is this one. And when I have it here, you see that's the document I have created. Then I click on this button and it generates the visuals, right? I have already generated one. This is the one that I have chosen, but I'm going to click on that again. So now it's analyzing the test. It is working, and it's going to offer me different types of visual, different types of charts. Can you see them? Okay, I'm going to, this one could be, could fit me, or maybe this one or this other one, right? Imagine that I want to choose this one, and then I can click on here, click on the chart, and then I can change the style, I can change the aspect, the colors, right? So you can play with it and customize it, right? And when you are happy with that, then you can export it. So you click on this arrow here, and you have the possibility of choosing the format you prefer, okay? And one thing that I like quite a lot about this app is that I can select that the background is off, okay? So imagine that this is the graph that I like, so I will download it and I will have it on my computer, okay? So as you can see, it is very, very, very easy to use. Another possibility that we have is that imagine that I want to do another chart, another diagram. I can create one with a AI, okay? So if I click on here, I have different possibilities. Here we have some examples, or I can write the prompt, and this is similar to ChatGPT or Gemini, Copilot. And for example, let's use this one, okay? Let's use this example. So this is what I have chosen, brand proposal for plant care company. Now it's going to create a test, okay, as if it were ChatGPT or any other of those chatbots, and imagine that I want a chart. Okay, it has already finished. There's a lot of material. I can create a PPT with that if I want. And imagine that I want to create visual with these 2.4. Okay, so I follow the same procedure as I did before. Right, now it is creating, so I have the test and the different possibilities, right? So as you can see, this is quite easy to use and it can help us to present information, right? And then in this part, in the library, you will have all your creations, right? So I hope this app is useful for you, and also I hope this can help you with your classes. Bye bye.